I can't be fucked with, no, with, no, with, no. I can't be fucked with, no, with, no, with, no. You can't touch this, hey. Bitch, I be rich shit, huh? You can't touch this, hey. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on these
So what's up, y'all? I'm coming to you with a Ali Pearl hair review from Amazon. I'm gonna hop right into it. So it came into the bag was a card on how to maintenance the wig. This is a T-part wig. I believe it's 14 inches. It also comes with a thank you card just for the purchase. And y'all, the shipping was so fast. Amazon Prime is nothing to play with. I ordered on the 28th and it came on the 30th. Also came with a wig cap. We love that. And here I'm just showing you what the hair looks like fresh out the package. So this wig came with an adjustable strap and 4 combs. There's 2 on each side and 1 in the back. Even though the part looks small in this clip, when you see how deep that part actually is, it's crazy. And y'all, the hair is super soft. Like, I didn't expect the hair to be as soft as it was. The hairline was pretty full and the knots were big, but as long as your stylist know what they doing, girl, it's gonna be all right, because my stylist slayed this to the gods. Make sure y'all book my boo, Think the Brand, on Instagram if you are in the Atlanta area. So I'm just gonna play some B-roll footage of her getting the foundation for my installment, and then I'll come in and add specs about the wig as I was getting it installed and kind of give you guys an overview, since it's been a few days since I've recorded this video and what the hair is like now. Okay, y'all, so the most important part about the foundation is that you can't have a braid in the middle of your head. Since it's a T-part wig, you want to make sure that there's that space so you can have a bust down middle part. Like, hello. So Ray ended up having to bleach the wig twice because, like I said in the beginning, the knots are pretty big on this wig. But here's what it looks like once it's all done. Y'all, it was giving me very much that girl. It gave full lace because there's lace all the way around the front, so you're able to get like that full baby hair look. And that's what I really like about this wig. It's not very versatile, so you can only have it in one style, but that was fine for me because I only wear middle parts. I rarely ever wear side parts. But this particular unit is $79 on Amazon, and y'all, like I said, it literally came within 2 days, so you'll get your wig right off the bat. As soon as you order, they're processing it and they're sending it out. You really get your money's worth from Amazon wigs when you go get them professionally done, and that's just the honest truth. I look at reviews on Amazon all the time, and the people who do their own hair or, you know, are still practicing and things like that, that's what they use these wigs for most of the time. But I feel like if you want to get your money's worth, if you want to get a good wear out of these wigs, you need to go get it professionally done so you can have the best, like, seamless look. Unless you are a professional hairstylist, then do your thing, girl. One thing I will say is this wig did not disappoint on fullness. Like, this wig is so full. I ended up getting it layered though, but the wig is still very, very full, and it holds a curl super, super well. Now, if you buying this wig, the key for that bust down middle part is to pluck, pluck, pluck. I told her I wanted the deepest middle part she could give me, and y'all, she did not disappoint. That part is crisp. Even my mom, when I got home, she was like, dang, she plucked the out of that. And I'm just like, did she though? Like, y'all, that middle part was something serious. And there she is, y'all. She is getting them baby hairs together. Yes, ma'am. I like my baby hairs when I have a middle part with just a little bit of baby hairs in the front, because I don't like the two side things. And she definitely delivered for me. This hair holds a curl, y'all. I don't even think y'all understand. I went like 5 hours after I left that appointment, and I was just running around the city. Y'all, my curls was still holding up. I really only had one issue with the wig, and that was that my head is small, so it's kind of flabby in the back. So for my small head girls, just make sure you take advantage of the adjustable straps and the combs that come inside of the wig, which I showed earlier. But other than that, y'all, this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10. Head over to Ali Pearl. I'll leave the link in the description box below so that y'all can go get y'all super wig and show them how to really do it, okay? So yeah, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much to Ali Pearl for sponsoring us for today. And if you like videos like this, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment. Join Too Much Gang. Baby, if you know Too Much Gang, not gang, set on that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.